All right, we're officially starting the regular guy mountain biking birthday ride. We're here in the mud, taking the connecting trail over here to get to, what is it, Wayweyanda? We'll take that out to Hofferland. Here's the group going up Hofferland now. Whew! Where's the escalator, Sean? Damn.
That's for you.
No, this is my pace, Sean. Angelo, you kidding me? This is my pace. What do you mean after you? This is how fast I go. I'm in high gear right now, baby. Some people didn't realize that a mountain bike could stand up this slow. Whew. What's up, boss? Okay, pedal, pedal, pedal. Pedal, come on, baby, pedal. Come on. See that? Great, now I'm being called the old man. This sucks. Nice and muddy for you guys. See that? Woo! Nice. Ready to go, Matt. This is a nice section of the trail.
I love this trail.
Yeah, it's got, the loam feels good on the tires. It's got a nice rumble, you know? Yeah. And the way the trees kind of encase you in, yeah. It's got that cool feel. This is what Plymouth is like. I love Plymouth. It's one of my favorite trails.
I think that's one of the only ones I haven't done yet so far.
Oh, you're gonna love it, Angelo. Plymouth is all like this.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
I'll tell you what I love. I don't know if I said thank you yet.
Ah, no problem, boss.
Shoes.
Oh, good.
Awesome.
How's everybody doing?
Awesome. Great.
Good. Good. All right. Good. We had one guy break a chain. Yeah. Yeah.
Is he back with us?
Yeah. So I took the chain with my teeth and I ripped the link off with my insiders. And no, we had an extra quick link. Yeah. But that story's gonna sound much better on video.
Always does.
Oh, video? Stuck in my gut.
Yeah. Yeah, right. That's why my gut's behind the camera. Look at all this, right? Oh my God, I turned my birthday into a mud bog. Look at this. Who maintains these trails anyway? This is really bad. That's why we didn't do double pond.
Left.
This is Plymouth, go left. All right, left.
Come on, old timer.
I know, it's hard, man.
Another year older and another mile or so slower.
Dude, Rob's buddy, I passed him on a rock garden. He's like, oh man, the old guy's beating me.
Did he say that?
I'm like, you. No sticker for him either.
No sticker.
No sticker for him.
All right.
Yep, go ahead. Nice little Rudy section, right? That sucked. Oh, Lou, I just turned around to videotape you guys and...
No, don't do it.
Now I gotta cut that out?
Them guys are coming in.
I gotta edit the crap out of this thing. Nice little Rudy section, you like that?
Slippy.
Yeah?
Slippy when wet.
I called ahead and put that in there just for you guys. Yeah, it's slippery.
Yeah.
It's sippy. There's gonna be a lot of that, on this, a lot of it. But there's also a lot of this just cool, loam-like, kind of like Jurassic Park type of thing going on. You know? I love this trail. Oh, here it comes. Who's going over? Who's gonna be the thumbnail?
This part was on your Instagram.
Yep, this is exactly.
From yesterday, was it?
Actually, it's the next section up, but yeah, you're right. There's another one after this one. Whoa.
Oh, there you go.
Yep, I slid out.
But nobody took that on camera.
I know.
I see a line, but I don't know if I can do one.
If you can stay on it.
Yeah, I don't know if I can stay on it, but I see it.
All right. There we go. Woo! Keep going. Nice. There's another one up here. That is slick. No, there is no grip. It's gripless. Good job, man. Nice. Ooh. Little trials thing going on there, boss. Nice. Woo! Whoa. Whew. Oh. That was my bad. I ruined your line, boss. I'm sorry. All right, little front brake on this. Oh. Get some speed. You need speed. More speed than that. Nice. Whoa. Nice. Holy crap, that was an excellent line. Damn.
Yeah, I blocked the right one, so he took better.
I didn't even know that was a line. This is a good section. Thanks, Lou. Thank you, Lou. Lou, we're gonna get you a little crossing guard outfit. Eric, I really got to give it to you. I had no idea the level of chefness you are. You're like a real chef.
I'm like a decent level.
Yeah, no, that's not like, you're not like a cafeteria chef guy for the company office.
No, I'm not doing that.
No, you're like chef guy chef. And I mean, I'm not impressed meaning you couldn't do it. I just didn't know the level that you are at it. And then the fact that you launch off hills on a hardtail, you know, these two things don't match together. All right, this is it, man. Just keep climbing, because that's all we're doing right now. The good thing is after this, we stop and break. We're at the Farber Circle. We're at the parking lot. Go for it, man, because you're in a shitty section. And I'm not helping you. Whoa! Whoa! Can I put that in the video? Because that was fucking cool. Damn it. Well, the guy's got legs for tree trunks, or tree trunks for legs, or something like that. And we're back out again, heading up the Farber Circle. What do we got, like 18 people on this one today? Holy cow, something like that. Damn. Another good ride. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Whew. A lot of nice people on this ride today. Meeting some new people, meeting Matt. All right. Oops, I'm sorry.
No, you're good.
Nice line, Paul. That was a nice line, Paul. Paul took a good line. Oh, look at you with your plus tires. That's not even a real trail. Nice. Making short work of that, baby. Everybody doing the roller? Roller, roller, roller. Oh, this is one of them. Thank you. That's one of them. We got more rollers coming.
Nice.
Nice, man.
Lou, it's not optional for you.
Why?
Because you just do it too well. Lou's is too dead sexy.
Yeah, right.
Nice.
Paul, you're going to make all the maps because you pick all the best lines. It's just that simple.
From my ski days.
If you want to follow the line, follow Paul because he's picked the best line so far. All right? Nice. Plenty more. I love this trail so much. It's so much fun, this trail. You good, Sean? I'm good. All right. Oh, I love this trail. Woo! Nice! I love this trail! Pedal, pedal, pedal! Pedal, pedal! Left, right, yeah, left, right! Whew! This is rocky.
Yeah.
Guys, be real careful there. That's a big roller. Whew! Keep pedal, pedal, pedal. Nice. Nice. You guys is animals.
Tight as a marble in a cat's ass.
Yeah, tight as a marble in a cat's ass. Thank you, Shane.
You're welcome.
Didn't picture it that way, but yes. Here's the roller. Here's my roller. Where have you been, roller? This is a real easy roller, guys. Whew. Nicey nice. Field gold. Is that it?
You didn't even break a chain.
Shh. We don't have any more links, Eric. Pedal, pedal, pedal.
Sorry.
Whew. We made it. Getting to where the wall starts. Welcome to the wall.
Nice, dude. Nice, Eric.
Anybody else?
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? Oh, man. Nice. How fun is that, right? That's mojo. I'm glad we did that. Look at all the people on the ride today. All these people are here because there's free hot dogs and hamburgers. Watch the rocks. Runners up. There he is, Thunder Thighs. Whew. That's it, guys. Nice. How you doing? Good, 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 good. Nice. Everybody getting something to eat.
Monsieur Chef.
Yes, yes, yes.
Smoke effect.
Yes. All right, guys. I'm going to start giving out some stuff. The first thing we're giving out is one of these Henty backpacks, the one that I have, the Enduro backpacks. Okay, so let's go in here.
Nice.
I'm not looking at anybody's name. Okay, let's see who's got one. Not that one. Okay.
We came back.
Joe Dirt.
Joe Dirt.
Hey. You got it. That's for you.
Thank you, sir.
Let me get a picture of you so I can put it on Insta Media and show people that I actually did this.
Who audited this?
Yeah, right? There you go. Holding that puppy up, my friend, and smile. Woo. Next up, let's give away one of these Goop inflation thingies over here. Sean. Hey.
What's up, baby?
There you go, sir. I got a bunch of these, so we'll get a picture of all you guys together. All right. Okay. And how about we give out a set of pedals? Rob G, that's Guitar Rob. He had to go home, so I'll send it out to him, or I'll catch him at the next one. So Rob G got a set of pedals. All right. It's just everybody came all the way out. He came from Staten Island. His buddies in Manhattan, so that's not fair to not include him. You guys, you're gonna need this after this ride. Here's the Brush Hero. Oh, all right.
I got a toilet brush.
Yeah, toilet brush. All right, that's the Element guy. So the Element guy who's not here gets a Brush Hero. I know. But he's been going on a bunch of rides with us. Rob's friend got a brush. Why you guys
What's going on? Yeah.
Son of a gun. I will give out another one of those inflation thingies. All right. Paul. Oh. Hey, someone who's here. Thank you, Paul.
You need that, Paul.
I do.
Yeah.
Thank
There you go, sir. Thank you.
A new bike.
All right. We'll give out another one of those little guys. Chris C. There's Chris. There you go. There's your Goop.
Goop.
All right. One of the Archer electronic shifter kits.
Ooh.
Okay.
Oh, man.
All right. Ready? Here we go. Please be here. It's going to look much better on film if you guys are here. Here. Yes, Lou!
Nice.
Yay!
I wouldn't even know what to do with that.
You can hold it up. I'll take a picture of it. That's what you got to do with it. There we go. All right. Hey. Yeah, let me get your picture, Lou.
All right.
All right, how about we give out the Steadyrack? All right?
Steady?
Yep, I love this thing. I got a couple of them in the wall.
On the back,
Yeah,
behind
they're
it.
awesome. All right, ready for the Steadyrack? And that's going to go to Mark M. Hey, Mark!
Nice.
I actually got something I need.
That's it, all right? There you go. All right, and I've got another set of pedals over here. Let's give out some more pedals. Another set of pedals. Here we go, and that is going to go to Corey, who's not here. All right, that's going to go to Corey. Corey was an all-star on the Ringwood ride. That guy did the sweeping for me, and I can't thank him enough. All right, and what do I have over here left now? I've got 2 more cans of Goop. All right, here we go. We've got Matt. Where's Matt?
Yeah, it's cool.
That goes
It's like the
there you go.
Hey,
There
thank
you go. All right, now let's give out one more over here. Shane! Hey! You got a video yourself. There you go. Yay! Good job, man. Other than that, guys, thank you so much. You totally made my day. I really appreciate you coming on the birthday.
Happy birthday, Gene.
Happy birthday, brother.
Eric made the hamburgers, so make sure you eat those. And that's
Happy
it.
birthday, because it is your birthday.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's about.